What is the importance of chemistry? Why should we study chemistry? What is its role in our life, directly or indirectly? What is the reason? Why should we study such people, as people say, I don't think so. Very dry subject. No, I don't think so. It's very dry. It's very interesting subject. If you study it properly, gradually, slowly, then it's very interesting. Okay? What is the reason? Because the reason is this. There are three main reasons. First is that chemistry, it has practical applications in the society. Means whatever you study in chemistry, you will see its application here and there everywhere. Application means the knowledge of chemistry is being applied in our daily life, directly or indirectly, as you can see on the screen. The life-saving drugs. Life-saving drugs, what are these? There are certain drugs which are internationally considered as life-saving, like smallpox vaccine, which was discovered by Alexander Fleming, right? Then morphine, aspirin, painkiller, all of you know. Before aspirin, acetyl, its actual name is acetyl salicylic acid. Before aspirin, there wasn't as such pain reliever. Then insulin is, it is used by the diabetic patient, right? Just to control their sugar. Then polio vaccine. Then tranquilizers, different kinds of tranquilizers. These are all considered as life-saving drugs internationally. Tranquilizer means, suppose a person is in depression or anxiety, then tranquilizers are given, right? Then chemotherapy drugs for the treatment of CA stands for cancer, then HIV. So all of these are life-saving drugs. And from where we got these life-saving drugs? Just with the help of chemistry. Chemistry helped us, the scientists, the chemists, to discover, to invent the vaccines, the medicines of different diseases, right? So this is one of the important practical application of the knowledge of chemistry on our lives, life-saving drugs. What else is? All modern technologies, the mobile in your hand, this camera that I am standing in front of you, right? Mic, anything, laptop, computer, mobile phones, machines, all kind of machines. Either it is a juicer or an aeroplane, right? All are machines. Rocket. How many of you know what is the SpaceX? I will not tell you, just asking. SpaceX, a very hot topic internationally during the last 2 or 3 or 4 days. Anyway, so recycling processes, these are all the applications of chemistry. Means whatever you study in chemistry, it will not go in vain. It will not waste. You can apply for the betterment of for the life of human beings, right? So all modern technologies, directly or indirectly, depends on the study of chemistry. How? Because chemistry tells you the properties of different kinds of substances. Whenever you want to make something, either it is a food item in the kitchen, like anything in the kitchen, or cement, or toothpaste, or shoe polish, or anything that you want to prepare, you need some information. You need some information. That information is being provided only through chemistry. I repeat, whenever you want to make something, you need some information. That information is provided by chemistry. Okay? So what is the second one? Chemistry tells us what? The natural processes which are going on all around us. For example, the process of evaporation, water cycle, right? All natural processes like this, like photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is also natural process, respiration, and all volcanic eruptions, earthquakes. All of these are natural processes. So chemistry helps us to find out the reason of these natural processes. What is the reason behind this? Okay. And then another reason to study chemistry, that there isn't any other science. There isn't any other science which does not depend on chemistry. Means all sciences, indirectly or directly, depends on chemistry. Whether it is physics or math to an extent. An engineer is there. He wants to make a machine. He will need some material, the properties of that material, that what is their strength, what is its melting point, its properties, characteristics. He needs, who will provide? Only a chemist will provide all of these information. Then only he will be able to understand, to create his invention. Doctors, totally, for all pharmaceutical companies, doctors totally believed on medicines. Whether it is or allopathic doctor, means common doctor, or Ayurvedic doctor, or Hakim, all depends on medicines. And what are medicines? Chemical compounds. So, either it is an engineer or a doctor or a bank owner how? He will need to judge the fake notes, currency notes, and he will need some information. That information is provided by a machine. Who will provide that machine? With the help of chemistry. Currency note, different color, different types of ink, right? So that ink is being provided by a chemist. So hardly there isn't any field in in our daily life which doesn't depend on chemistry. We ourselves are walking laboratories. We ourselves, our body is a mobile chemistry lab. There are different compounds in chemistry which are very important. Chlorine plays a very vital role in our daily life. For example, there are a number of chlorine compounds. The first one is chloroform. Chloroform, what is the formula of chloroform? CH-Cl3. This is chloroform. What is the purpose of chloroform? It gives to the patient for unconsciousness. So this chloroform is a compound of chlorine, means a chemistry product. What else? Chlorine is used in swimming pools. Why? Just to kill the germs. Chlorine is used in PVC, polyvinyl chloride. What is PVC? The used drainage pipes and other such products. It is also used to make DDT. Might be you have heard DDT. I'm not going to annihilate. DDT stands for diphenyl tetrachloroethane. Diphenyl tetrachloroethane. This is a formula of DDT. And what is the purpose of DDT? Most common disinfectant. And chlorine is also used in making number of pesticides. What do you mean by pesticides? Number of insects are there which can destroy the crops, right? So pesticides are used to kill weeds, to kill different kinds of insects, etc., etc. So chlorine has more than 1,000 compounds, as you can see. PVC, chloroform, bleaching agent. What is the purpose of bleaching agent? I think most of you know that chlorine is a compound which is used to bleach, to decolorize a material. And what else is DDT? I told you what is DDT, chloroform, different kinds of drugs, pesticide. What are different kinds of pesticide? If you are going to take care of a herb, it is called herbicide, insecticide, etc. And beside this, chlorine is also used in various refrigerants. What are refrigerants? What are refrigerants? Refrigerants are the chemicals which are used to cool down. This AC is giving out cool air. Why? Because it has a refrigerant gas in it. Okay? So what are the common refrigerant gases? You must have heard. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. CFCs. Chlorofluorocarbons. Then hydrochlorofluorocarbons. Then only HFCs, hydrofluorocarbons. But the most common is this one, chlorofluorocarbons. Why are we not using from this year, 2020 internationally, this gas, chlorofluorocarbon? Do you have any idea why this gas is not allowed to be filled in all such things like AC, like refrigerator, etc.? Why? Yes, this gas destroys what? Ozone layer. Okay. So years back, decades back, scientists came to know that the layer of ozone is decreasing day by day. They found out the reason that chlorofluorocarbons or CFC compounds, these compounds, are the main reason for destroying ozone layer. So its use is banned. Now, which gas is used? Different kinds of gases, like you can see on the screen, like in AC or in car AC or in other R134A. These are different kinds of refrigerant gases. And what is R134A? It is tetrafluoroethane. Tetrafluoroethane. R134A. Okay? And this gas is an inert gas for ozone especially. So this is only one element, chlorine. We are discussing the benefits of only one element of chlorine. Chlorine has so many compounds which are extensively used in our daily life. As you can see on the screen, all explosive, either it is atomic bomb or a firecracker. These are the products of chemistry. Cosmetics, either it is lipstick or blush on or blush off, product of chemistry. Or cement or glass or this and that, yeah. Even the internet must have heard fiber, strong fiber, a company. Fiber link, fiber. Internet travels through thin fiber glass tubes made up of chemistry, with the help of chemistry. So there is no field in our daily life where chemistry is not playing its role. Okay? I've got, now let's talk about assignment. I gave you an assignment in lecture number 2. And I've got a few assignments from the students on my Gmail address. Hope the remaining students will also do the same. Okay, let's refresh ourselves. What is the full name of DDT? Recall. It's very difficult, I know. Next. Tell any 2 life-saving drugs. I told you so many drugs. Okay, question number 3. What is the chemical formula of chloroform? What is the chemical formula of chloroform? Remember, there's no need to learn all of these. It's just a support knowledge. So what is next? Which one is the destroying ozone layer? Freon. Freon is a chlorofluorocarbon. Or R134A. Obviously the answer is freon. Who discovered the vaccine for smallpox? Again the question is, what is SpaceX? It's not included in chemistry book. It's not the part of the syllabus either. What is SpaceX? As I told you earlier, I will not tell you. You should tell me next time or let me know. Okay, studying living organism chemically is called this either. I didn't tell you. Which element is present in all the cell phones? Which noble element? Gold. Present in all cell phones. So, another slide you can see. 1 ton of smartphones contains about 300 grams of gold, worthing around $12,000. So next time, when you change the mobile phone, think and find where the gold is. Okay? So around 7% of the gold, which is in use throughout the world, is in our electronics assignment. Reminding you, PDF file is available. If you want it, just let me know. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.